Now we can start discussing our chapter. I hope all of you study well that chapter MS Word 2010. Let us start. First we can discuss some one word questions. First question is, the undo button is present on the dash. Say the answer. Where the undo button present? The answer is quick access toolbar. Next question. What type of mistakes are indicated by green wavy lines? What type of mistakes are indicated by green wavy lines? Answer. Yes, the answer is grammatical mistakes. Next question. The dash command cancel the action of undo command. The dash command cancel the action of undo command. Which command? What is the answer for this question? Yeah, the answer is redo. Redo command cancel the action of undo command. Next question is, the dash button is clicked to ignore the spelling mistake. Which command or which button? Answer is ignore button. Next question, dash is the keyboard shortcut for undo. Dash is the keyboard shortcut for undo command. What is the answer for this? Keyboard shortcut for undo command? The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus Z key. Next question is, spelling and grammar command is a part of dash tab. Spelling and grammar command is a part of dash tab. Which tab? Yes, the answer is review tab. Review tab. Next we can discuss some answer the following questions. First question is, what is editing? All of you try to say the answer. What is editing? Editing means making changes into a document. Editing means making changes into a document. Next question is, what is undo and redo? Or define undo and redo. Try to say the answer. Undo command is used to cancel the last action done in the document, and redo command is used to cancel the action of undo command. Next question is, write the difference between copying and moving. Write the difference between copying and moving. Say the answers, dear students. Copying means create a duplicate copy of the text. And moving means to remove a text from one position and paste it in another position. Today only this much questions. But for the exam, you need to study that fill in the blanks, true or false, and match the columns, then keyboard shortcuts also. Answer question answers from the notebook only, and textbook exercise and some sentences I just underlined there. That sentences also you need to study. Thank you. Study well, my dear students.